Drop it.
Stop playing with your dick.
I'm looking at stuff. What's up, team?
You're looking at your dick.
No.
What's going on, team? How's it going? How is life with 1348 Genie? You guys,
Dude, that genie's ridiculously powerful. All the people on the other side of the wall, sorry, you can't have it yet, but you can for the low price of $0.
There you go. Chris Brenneman, was there news? This run is weird. There is no news. It's just play
CPI.
the chart. That's it. 1348 Genie. Make the portfolio go. Let's go ahead and look at the chart. What are we doing here with the SPY? The SPY has yet to break this 200 level. We see it here at 398.23. We break that level, guys. There's going to be...
It could be off to the races for a little bit.
Yeah, we are off to the races. Now, check this out, guys. This is kind of fun. Now, STV is all about risk management. That's his thing. He loves reversals. He loves managing his risk. He loves taking advantage of the market. But he had an admission today.
What did I do?
You had an admission.
Oh, the 1 minute?
Oh, yes.
I like the 1 minute. Dude, the 1 minute dot, I was in and out with 10% in like literally 10 seconds.
There you go.
It was, I don't remember exactly where it was on the chart, but I saw that 1 minute dot below the 200 EMA, and I was like, give me that. Easy, quick gain there, man. That dot is so nasty.
Oh, man. Sean Martin, welcome. Thank you for that support. He is sold on OG Lifetime. You're going to make a move this year. 2023 is going to be your year. Now, Sean, I'm going to caution you, okay? I want you to go on over through the weekend. I want you to open up a paper trade account. And then I want you to go through the strategy videos, right? This is going to get you up to speed for Sunday night, because Sunday night we have the OG live stream exclusive.
Well, lifetime live stream.
Lifetime live stream exclusive. I stand corrected. You get all the information here in our learning library. Everything you would need to know about options from the king of options himself, STV. Now, go ahead, take your time, go through these videos, get caught up, open a paper trade account. Sunday, we're going to blow your mind. We're going to blow everybody's mind. So, guys, if you are interested in joining Lifetime, I don't know. What the fuck are you waiting for? OG Lifetime is the promo code. If you want to become a Lifetime member because you are an OG, then reach out to Diana. The public stream, those sitting in the back who are wondering, should I do this? Well, each and every day we prove ourselves out and we build out the chart in a way that is newbie friendly, but also mid-level to pro-level traders can definitely use the chart and take advantage of it. Now, what time for the OG stream on Sunday? What are we looking at? Maybe 8:30?
I think we're going to do 8 or 8:30.
Yeah. Yeah, we know it's a playoff football this weekend. We get it. Okay. So let's go ahead and highlight something else, because our boy here is just kicking ass and taking names. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Invictus 12 for 22 at 73%. Now, you tie in Invictus with the 1348 Trade Genie, and you guys have the most actionable alert system on the planet. And you know what? It's only for $69, and we will give you this chart absolutely free. Let me show you how you get it. Let's go on over to our alerts here. 3-minute cross. Click on a ticker. Here you go. You see this here? Custom chart download. It's yours. Now, if you want to just join 1348 for this chart, go right ahead. And then all you have to do is go to account, subscriptions, click cancel. This chart's yours for free. But the minute you're exposed to the community, the gains, right?
You get hooked.
The education, the stories. We have a millionaire that's come out of our group here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you're just going to really, really change your mindset. All right. So, with that being said, let's go back to the spy on the 1 minute because she's so fucking filthy. I
She's
love her.
slipping.
I love her. You get your yellow dot. Now, guys, I want you to pay attention to this because pretty much all of your yellow dots paid as long as you paid attention to your levels. Yellow dot here, put, brings you from 395 down to the bottom of this wick of 394. That could easily be a 5%er. We get the green dot here, and she has been rocking and rolling, has not turned yellow since. Okay, this is going to keep you in a play, and you have 1348 Genie. She's telling you the trend on the 1 minute. You may trend as a call. We are biased to calls because price action is above the 200. Your ADX momentum is weak, bearish. Your reversal status, clear. Why is it clear? Because it happened minutes and minutes and minutes ago. So we're clear on a reversal status. The next time we get a yellow light, you will see that reversal status change. Now, why are we looking at the 1 minute, guys? Is because we are attempting to oversimplify this for you instead of having to go and check on your levels on the 5 minute going up to 7 trading days back. We could simply find them here or here. We mark them out, get on over to the 5 minute, and let's play. So as it stands, this call here, you had some consolidation. You guys already knew the rules here on the 5 minute. This was an EMA sandwich. You're bouncing off the 200. You're maintaining bullish momentum here. You get your call, you break a level. You guys know what it is. Our side did not get overcooked, but you see it's making its move down to its moving average. So what could you do? You could close your position, size out your position, and or see if you get a bounce off of the moving average. These are things to look for. 1348 Genie is going to guide you. Current trend call, bias to calls, RSI bullish, ADX neutral, reversal clear. As soon as you start seeing things going against you, you are no longer playing around with your own emotions. You are being prompted by the chart with exactly what it's going to do. Ladies and gentlemen, trade 1348, link down in the description. Guys, do me a favor. People in the comments, put trade1348.com in the comments. I don't care if you spam it. Trade1348.com. Go get you some. $69 a month or $1,348 for lifetime.
Only today and tomorrow for that 50% off OG code. And we've been talking about this too. The price that we're offering it for the monthly is way too low. It is what it is. The things that we're offering you guys, it's going to be going up in the future. So again, everybody has access to the 2-week free trial right now, but eventually, and I'd say in the near future, the prices are going to be increasing.
The prices are going to be going up only because we know the value of what we're offering. If you don't understand the value of what we're offering, it's simply because you're not listening. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. How do we reach out to Diana? She is, in fact, in the Discord. You would simply reach out to Diana in the Discord. Diana, are you in the chat?
Tabasco Dave said, texted my buddy that's on the fence, and I told him he's an idiot to not get it now. Yeah, I mean, it is. At that point, I feel bad for anybody that's not using these tools, these charts, these proprietary algorithms on the live streams. Like, at this point, you're doing yourself a big disservice.
Matt Francis, Diana's in the chat. She will be more than happy to guide you through. DC Fan for Life, thank you so much. Hey, $69 a month, including OG? Well, yes.
No, it is. It is $69 a month. That's what it is.
That's it. 2 for 2 today. Thanks, 1348. And our new Genie is a cheat sheet that rocks. Richard Lopez. That's dope. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to make even more money. You ready? STV, check this out.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That's how you become a millionaire. With
I'm
this
looking.
chart. If you look at my chart, I got lines everywhere.
Oh my God. Get that fucking bullshit out of here. Get that shit out of here. Fuck that.
Guys,
Fuck
this is how you
that.
become a millionaire. This is how it
Yeah, no.
happens.
That's how all the other fucking morons do it. And you know what? Nope. Again, we're the only people that have a video out there of us interviewing our millionaire member. The people that are doing this fucking drawing pictures on the chart talking no. It's not happening.
More lines, more profits, more portfolios
Nope.
blown.
Nope. Yeah, the last part 100% correct.
Oh boy. All right. So we are back in the stream. There was an issue with the stream, apparently.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Yeah, we're good. And let's see. Yes, we're back. $69 a month would be worth it for the daily crosses alone. I should probably join in.
Wreck-It Ralph, you're not a member?
What?
You just exposed yourself. What? Wreck-It Ralph. You made 780% or 820% on those Teslas, and you're not, bro.
No, he's just watching you trade, and he's like, hey, fuck it, I got this.
Yeah.
Until you don't. Now, what we're going to be doing is, I think... Oh, dude, the dailies on this. I mean, we could look at the dailies.
The dailies are crazy.
NVIDIA here. This yellow light, we will be adding to our dailies. Right? You will get the daily alerts. These things do print. Right? Allows you to, I guess, diversify your holdings between short and long term. Right? But they print and they're beautiful. And we are getting those alerts. Yes. The yellow dot just lost me money on the SPY 1 minute. How? Andy, how?
Okay. First of all, here's what we're going to do. If you think that there is one magic thing that's going to work every single time, you should close your brokerage account and never trade again. 2, that 1 minute dot on the SPY, when you see those 2 dots, if you saw the dot go in the other direction from you, do you know how much you're down if you're trading with enough time? I don't know, 2%, maybe.
Yeah. So he front ran this dot here. This is what happened. He front ran the dot, but let's go ahead and do a replay, shall we? Let's bring the chart here, and let's do a replay on what's happening here. Right? We're going to do this 1 candle per second.
Mm-hmm.
So you got weak bearish, reversal, weak bullish. Okay. You know that 13 is there, but everything was
there. You're out. That yellow dot, you're out.
Yeah, that's it.
That's the name of the game. If it yellow dots like that, you're out. I mean, you're down to maybe less than 1%. Like, that's the thing. That's what the yellow dot does. It keeps the risk so tight.
That's exactly what it does. Exactly what it does. The overall trend on the SPY is bullish, also above the 200 EMA. You shouldn't have taken that put. Yes, the only way you take this put, ladies and gentlemen, is if you see that the RSI, if you see RSI below 50, it was nowhere near below 50. It was below its moving average, currently below its moving average. But you got the 13 still above the 48 on the 1 minute. You need to subscribe to the rules. You end up staying in this trade much longer. More importantly, if you're in on a 5, you're still golden. So, let's see. Gabe, I noticed that you changed the candle type from Heikin-Ashi to normal candlesticks. Is there a reason as to why it is better? There's no better. It's a preference.
They didn't change it. They've always been normal candles. Let's see.
Andy, why are you averaging down?
You're not down big. Andy, you're not down big. I don't know what the hell you did. Andy, here's what you could have. Oh, my Lord. I don't know how you screwed this up. Unless you have a previous put position where you're trying to just time a top, I don't get it. Because that 1 minute dot was perfectly fine. It's like, that's literally a tiny loss. I don't.
You had previous puts. You were averaging down. The thing is, guys, we don't average down. Buying your losses is a no-no. We buy our winners.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Made 35% today. Nice pump and dump. This also demonstrates the value of what we are as a community, as a platform community, a Discord community, whatever the hell you want to call us. Because no matter the alerts, no matter how much we try to spell it out for you, if you are not subscribed to a system that we have been promoting and advocating for a better part of a year, happy birthday, you're going to get your ass handed to you. Period. That's it. All right.
And in Paris, nope, not after we tried to take $150,000 from us. We have a video out there about that. It's on Gabe's channel. It's a live stream called, what is it, Burning Bridges? If you want to hear the whole story, you can go watch that one.
Wreck-It Ralph says, I like people are trading with PDT restrictions. That's where they screw themselves and double down on losers. You know what, guys? There's no reason why you should have a margin account. You should be playing with cash. You should be playing with cash. Weeble, I like it. I know payment for order flow. Boo-hoo. I don't really care. I use Weeble.
I like Weeble.
Cash account, trade with it, make your money. Right? You shouldn't be trading with a margin account, especially if you're a brand new trader. That margin is useless to you. In fact, that margin, you're going to have Robinhood and they're going to be knocking on your door like, hey, you want to take out a home equity loan? Because you owe us $125,000 margin.
I don't know why you'd ever trade options on margin unless you're literally using the like actually taking advantage of the benefits of having a margin account with spreads, which is not what we're doing. Margin accounts don't make any sense. That's a weird. See, this is the thing. Everybody likes to limit themselves. They're like, oh, but I work, but I don't have 25K, and it's like, first of all, if you don't have $25,000, that doesn't matter. Like. You're trading in a cash account. You can make as many trades as you want with settled cash. The second thing that we hear a lot is like, well, I work all the time. It's like, good thing that we have predictive algorithms on the daily time frame where you can buy contracts with more than enough time and not have to stare at your screen all day. We got something for everybody, team.
Margin account helps clear funds quicker.
Yep.
But just chilling. But, all right, are you working with a $25,000 account just chilling? Lorenzo stopped to drop that like. 1348 is real. Thank you. Thank you for that like.
Thank you, buddy.
Let's see. All right. What are we looking at here? We're going to go back to Invictus and see what Invictus is doing. We got an alert on Chewy? When's the last time we got an alert on Chewy? Damn. Okay.
I don't know.
Chewy.
I've hit some fun trades on Chewy before.
Oh boy. All right. So let's see where Invictus alerted. 1247. It is currently 1254. Invictus was on the money. You know what else was on the money? There she goes.
The fucking dot. There it is again, dude. Oh my God. We're just going to keep sitting over here making money in the market with these dots while all these other people are just like, but I don't know.
All right, like, guys, keep in mind you are right at a level at 43.43. All right, we're going to mark this if this is a play you are in. Let's see. So can we go over the Campbell Soup Company on the Predictive Daily? Okay.
Sure.
Let's go over Campbell Soup. CPB.
I think it's CA, I think the ticker is. I think that's the ticker on that thing.
For Campbell's?
Or CPB. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, that's a... Oh, look at the dot there.
Oh, man.
The dot came yesterday?
Yeah.
On the daily? Yeah. I mean, you guys see the dots. Jesus.
All right. So, okay, now we have to fall back on the rules here, right? We're on the daily. You guys gave yourself time, right? RSI is below 50, below its moving average, trending down. The EMA trend is a call, which looks like it will break in the coming days. EMA is biased to calls because we are above the 200. So that means you probably are going to start respecting the 48 here at a level. The 48 is sitting at 54.56. If you get a break, secure the bag, re-enter, then boom, you can bring her down to 53.28. Just pay attention to 1348 Genie here. And of course, these indicators, which are in fact color coded. Now you got ADX, and people are like, oh, ADX is in an uptrend or a downtrend. No, we got transparent red here that's telling you that the ADX is in fact bearish. Let's see. TiVo pricing that BTC to $1 million by 2030. What's going on? What?
If you're still listening to what any type of institution has to say about anything, I got news for you. They're not. No. Mm-mm. Remember, JP Morgan, one of those weekends came out or Jamie Dimon, like the CEO of JP Morgan, was like, oh, Bitcoin's bullshit, blah, 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 all that nonsense. You know what they did that weekend? They bought a fuckload of it. Like, guys, once you see how markets actually behave and how they actually are, you're never going to view it the same way. Like, there are people out there that are just like spewing things. And we all look at it all the time. And I'm like, are you fucking stupid?
Yeah.
Crypto alerts are in the Discord community right now. So those are all in the Discord.
There you go. DM Ohio, what time frame would you swing with the dots? I mean, I like the daily here. The 4 hour
daily
could be
4 hour.
sweet. Look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, the 4 hour is nasty with it.
I'm done here, dude. I think I'm going to retire. I'm just done.
We should just quit, cancel everything, and just do it ourselves. That's why we can't give you guys Rita. It's too powerful for the public.
Oh, yeah. Took a minute to get used to the new EMA colors, but it's great, Darlene.
You can change them if you want. Mine are changed to what I like them to be.
I like the 4 hour and the daily. That's right. I can't find crypto alerts.
Let me look. I'm looking right now. They should be right here. 15-minute crypto. Boom. Right under premium alerts. It's the third one down. There you go. It's right there.
We don't have it in platform.
No, they're not on platform. We can get them on platform, though. We just got to load them in.
Yeah, we got to get that on platform, and we need the yellow lights on platform.
Mm-hmm. You guys are about to get the dot alerts, too, on platform, so I hope you guys are ready for that. The amount, yeah, bro.
This price Dev wants to know, can the Genie change as you move the time frame? Absolutely. Watch this. It's like magic.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Changes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, wow, CPB on a 5-minute. This is pretty. You got some yellows and boom, breakdown.
That thing was just knifing.
Oh, man. Scar my
Should
world.
Let's do some call-ins. You want to get some of those going?
You know what? Let's do it. Let's get these call-ins. You guys already know the deal here. Let's get it. All right. 978-545-1348. Please do not try to sell me a car warranty. Let's go. 978-545-1348. Let's have fun with it.
Let's do it.
And we have Louisiana calling in.
Oh, perfect. That was quick.
Oh, that sure was.
Have Louisiana calling.
Hello, hello.
Welcome to the live stream. You're live. What's going on, buddy?
Hey, man, this is Gerald calling from Louisiana.
Gerald, what's up, man? How you doing?
What's happening, man? I just want to say thank y'all so much. Y'all are doing unbelievable things for people. You're changing lives. I got a little rant that I want to go on real quick. People in the chat constantly complaining about the stream sounding like a damn advertisement. Well, guess what? It took Gabe a shit ton of money to get this thing started. It takes him a crap load of money to keep this thing going and keep bringing new things to us. So if you don't like the Discord, don't bitch about it in the chat. Just sit back and just do your thing and just mute the streams or whatever you got to do. I mean, these guys are going out, to the ends of the earth to satisfy us and give us things that no other community has. Go look at some of these other communities. They charge more monthly and they get half of the shit that we get, man. I'm sorry for the rant, but it just pisses me off because y'all do everything you can. You bend over backwards to help people, and you still want to have assholes sitting there bitching and fucking moaning.
Fucking tell him, Gerald. That's the thing. Here's the deal. People used to tell me that all the time. Do you know what I said? Yeah, go fuck yourself. I was like, I don't care because I know what we're bringing to everybody. That's the thing. It's like that. Like we just keep one-upping ourselves, and it keeps getting better and better and better and better. And no other community is going to be able to say that they made a millionaire. They can't, because if they could, they would have a video out there like I have on my channel. It's just, it is what it is, bro. Like, thank you for that rant, Gerald. I fucking love that.
Gerald, dude, can I fly to Orlando? You're the kind of guy I want to have beer with. Holy shit. I just want to fuck shit up with you.
I want to get a big meet up, man, because there's a lot of people that I'd like to meet. Because seriously, not just what y'all do, but the other people in the community are phenomenal. Diana busts her ass like 38 hours a damn day. She's always there when you need it, no matter what time of day it is. And other people that help out a lot, Tabasco Dave, Romago, and, you know, just different people like that, man. It's a family. It really is. And you're not going to find that in any other place. So people bitching and moaning about the advertisement, then go to another thing. You know, I mean, it's that simple.
Damn. Love you, brother.
Fucking love that, man.
Love y'all too, man. Thanks. I just wanted to get that off my chest because it's every day. And I'm in the thing talking, you know, most of the time in the day. You know, if you can't multitask, then don't multitask. You know, some people are capable of sitting here looking at the charts, looking at the chat, and listening to FTV and Gabe live. If you can't do that, don't do it. Just don't bitch about it. You know, you're biting off the hand that feeds you by doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, Gerald, I wanna hug you so tight right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I do. Thank you so much for calling in, Gerald.
I'm just moving.
That was great.
Oh, that was
some
emotional damage.
Guys, trade1348.com. Come get you some. Like, seriously. Just come get you some. Damn.
You guys see how much our people love it. Aren't you curious why? You don't see any of these other people in these other communities riding for them as hard as people ride for us. Why? Why? That's the question you got to ask yourself. Why are they having so much success? Why are their members all over the place? Why did they make a millionaire? Writing's on the wall.
That's it. Oh, man. You guys want to go back to the charts? I mean, the lines are still open.
You guys can keep calling if you want. I'll do some more call-ins. That one got me hyped up. That's why I love the call-ins. They're always fucking awesome.
Oh, man. Oh, Incognito wants to join us from Kenya.
Let's do it.
Damn. Okay. Just when you're in a community, don't try to take everyone's credit card information. I'm sorry, too soon.
Jesus, Gabe. Jesus Christ.
I'm sorry, man. I got love for you, man. It's all good. Let's see. All right, we got more Louisiana calling in.
Let's do it.
Damn.
Who else we got?
All right, Louisiana coming in hot today in the live stream. Who do we have on the line here?
Oh, it's Arvin.
Arvin?
Yeah, this is Arvin.
What's up, Arvin? How you doing, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Oh, I'm okay, I guess. Today was not a good day for me in trading, so I was
Did you YOLO on margin?
I guess. Oh no, of course not. I wouldn't do something like that. But I mean, I did enter a couple of, I guess, revenge trades, which I shouldn't have, and I guess I'm struggling to know how to deal with taking losses on what would seem like good setups, and then not just doing something stupid after that. and it mostly happens when I have multiple losses in a row.
Yeah.
So I guess that's my, I guess, psychological problem that I was hoping there might be some tricks to deal with.
There's no tricks. You just have to, it's hard. It's like, you just have to not do it. That's the thing. It's like, you have to know how this is why I say, like, get off paper trading as soon as you can, because these are the types of things you have to know how to manage. Because if you don't know how to manage your portfolio and the money that you have, when you take a couple of losses, whether or not they're good trades or not, those are things that you have to learn. You have to be able to take a step back and say, I'm done. There's another day coming. There's more setups. You just have, and this is like what Gabe goes on and says all the time. You have to trust the system. There's always going to be another trade coming, but you have to trade it the same way every time so that you're putting yourself in the position to fully capitalize them when they do hit.
Okay. Well,
So there's no like real solution to it, Arvin. You just have to build that discipline and emotional like stability to just say, I'm not going to revenge trade and fuck around.
And so I guess what does it take to or how long did it take you to get to that point? Because
I mean, I still do it sometimes.
Like I've been
like, well, I'll still do it sometimes. It just comes down to remember, like I say, every single trade is a game of risk. So like if I'm doing it, I'm still going to manage the risk. But again, then it comes down to what were you doing on your previous trades? If the losses are big, you probably weren't managing the risk. So it is an emotional issue, but it's more of like a risk management entry issue. So like using the dots, like that example that we just went over on the 1 minute, I mean, you would have been out in and out quick. You would have been like, okay, well, it just didn't play out on the 1 minute there. But if you were holding it and you're like, I'm going to keep going, it's like, well, then you didn't follow your plan going in. Because if your plan is to get out, if it does this, then you should be perfectly fine. You manage your risk appropriately and you're good to go. That one just didn't play out.
Yeah. Hey, Arvin, I want to ask you something, right? I want you to like cheer up and put the same energy into your trading as you do the memes you create, because they're so freaking epic. And I appreciate that cow meme you made. And of course, having a tallying list of like STB one-liners. But I think, you know, what has to happen is Arvin, I think for you, if you're having a harder time managing your emotions, then give yourself larger time frames.
Mm-hmm. It's size down.
It's size down. Larger time frames, size down, longer, more time to expiration, right? And when we introduce the yellow dots for the daily, I think that that's something, you know, with a smaller portfolio, I think that that's something we would probably find a lot of comfort in, because it moves much slower, and I guess the trend is that much more powerful, right? So you're not really going to get stopped out too much, right? I think it's just more of like taking that step back and really understanding yourself and being honest with yourself and what you can tolerate emotionally, right? And, you know, not subscribing to the concept of hopium, you know, because see, here's the thing: when we're wrong, this is actually a human thing, right? So if I punch STV in the face, I'm wrong, but I'm gonna have a hard time admitting I'm wrong, right? It's absolutely wrong. I would never do that, by the way. I mean, I'll smack his ass, but the thing is that
you will do none of those things.
I won't. But the thing is that when we enter a play, we have to be okay with being wrong. That's it. That's it. We have to be okay with being wrong. And the sooner we're okay with being wrong, the sooner we were able to put ourselves in situations where we are right. Right? So I think, Arvin, when you find yourself wrong, when the 1348 genie's telling you you're wrong, just believe in a chart because the chart's not going to lie to you.
Mm-hmm.
Accept that you're wrong. Move on to the next one. That's it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So it's easier for me to accept that I'm wrong maybe one time, 2 times in a row. But then once it starts to hit 3, 4 times, I start to think, well, why is everything just going against me? That's when I guess logic starts to go out the window, and I still keep struggling with that. I've tried to get better at it. I think it doesn't happen as much as it used to, but it still does happen, and I would really like for it to not, because that's what can ruin my week in terms of trading.
Okay. So he's revenge trading STV. Arvin, you want to go ahead and make a promise to me, and maybe to yourself, that if you have 2 consecutive trades, walk away for an hour or 2, right? Just regroup yourself, because it sounds like you're getting really, really hard on yourself, and then you're seeking revenge, right? And you're hard on yourself, and you're just like, okay, I need to be right. You see, and what happens there is that the chart is a painting of human emotion, guys, right? It's a painting of human emotion. And you really don't want to be on the wrong side of that emotion, right? So when you're down, chances are you're going to continue to be down until you take a step back, right? And then reevaluate the chart. Clear your mind a little bit, right? So I think for you, Arvin, because you have called in and we've given you the same advice, and by your own admission, you're saying it's not happening as much, which is a good thing. What I think you should do now is give yourself larger time frames, and longer days to expiration, and
I
just
agree.
and just learn to find comfort, with your trades, right? So instead of doing 2, 3 trades a day, you're probably only going to do 1. And since you're playing it on a daily, you give it time to mature until the genie says, no bueno. Okay. So, guys, I need you to understand the reason why we came out with the traffic lights was to help individuals like Arvin, to help individuals like you, and to give you more confidence on the larger time frames. Because I promise you, that's where a lot of money is going to be made. And that's where it feels a lot easier to do it. Okay. So that's my advice, Arvin. I mean, I wish I could give you, your prescription of, I got it tropin, but I can't give you that prescription right now. I don't know if you got it or not. Give yourself the opportunity to calm your emotions, and that's it.
Okay. Yeah, I will try to do. I will do that. I'll take an hour away when if I ever hit 2 losers in a row.
Yeah. And you know what? Instead of trying to chase the 2 losers in a row, you take that step back and then look for something on a daily, and then give yourself a break from trading. Go live life, enjoy life. Go create more memes. Go have fun. Just live life a little bit, right? And don't let yourself get beat up with these trades. Okay.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Thanks for calling in.
Thank you, Arvin.
All right. Thank you.
All right. I really love that kid. I did.
I know. I love Arvin.
Oh, man. If I'm down 2% on a day, I'm taking the rest of the day off. Yeah.
Exactly. Simple.
That's it.
Tyler Trader, same thing. Same deal. No difference.
With Tao, yeah. No different. And we got another call. Oh, man. It's hot today.
I know. I got to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds, but I will be right back.
Wash your fucking hands.
I will.
All right. Welcome to the live chat.
Hello?
Who do we have on the line?
Yeah, hey. So you the one who hit my car?
I'm
Well,
sorry.
you left your phone number on my windshield.
I left my phone number on your windshield.
Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my taillight.
Well,
Yes, you did.
damn. That's fun.
Who your insurance company, B? Yo, don't lie to me.
Well, what kind of car was it?
Then why'd you leave a damn note?
What kind of car is it?
I'm losing my patience.
What kind of car is it?
Man, what's wrong with you?
What kind of car is it? You got to help me out, man.
Is this our first
I
one?
got your note right here in my own hand.
Is this our first one?
You've been pranked by prankhotline.com.
Oh, is that?
That was fun. It was an automated prank. That was fun.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, who did that? That is hilarious. I was actually running with it. I'm like, what kind of car?
Well, that was funny. That was a good one, man. I heard that. I was like, what?
Yeah, you left a note on my car.
Oh, dude. We have so much. That was a good one.
Oh, man. Oh, they got me. They got me. I mean, yeah, I would not leave a note if I banged your car, for the record, guys.
Especially with the phone number to call this stream.
Oh, man, that's funny. That's funny. All right, we got another call. Louisiana again?
I like it.
Louisiana, stand up. What's going on, player? State your name. Where you calling from? Obviously, Louisiana.
Hey, my name's Stan. I'm calling from Louisiana.
Who is this?
Can barely hear.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. No, I was just calling in, man. Thanks for all that you guys do. You know,
Bro, you in the
I
shower?
really appreciate what you guys do.
You're in the shower, man? There's a lot of noise back there, man. Go clean your ass if they call us back.
Oh, no. I'm at work. I just wanted to say thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Oh, that was fun.
That was fun.
All right, guys. So, 12 minutes. STV is going live.
Yup.
I'm behind listening to this guy accusing Gabe. Yeah, it's fun. Oh, we got New York in the house.
Here we go.
New York's in the house. You want to state your name? Who's calling?
What's going on, fellas? It's Chameleon.
What's up, Chameleon? How you doing, buddy?
What's going on, fellas, man? I just calling to say you guys doing good, man. Like I said, I watch it every day. You guys are doing great. And you guys help me with my emotions because, man, after figuring out that, you know, shit goes up and down, nothing goes straight down, nothing goes up straight up, that's when I figured I started building a little bit of just a little bit of damage control. Hit that button, Gabe. Hit that button.
The emotional
Emotional damage.
Man, it felt kind of relaxing too, knowing that happened a couple of times. But
Yeah.
you know, my favorite ones are really AMD and NVIDIA.
Nice.
You know,
Those are
I
sweet.
work on those mostly. The SPY be hitting me hard sometimes, going too fast for me.
Yeah, you got to get some time on it.
Yeah.
You got to get some time on the SPY.
Yeah. Yeah, give yourself a minimum, man. 9 days to expiration at minimum with the SPY.
Yeah.
Just.
But guys, all of you new guys there, listen to these guys, man. You know, I was kind of like a little bit stupid and stubborn. I was paying for something, and I wasn't even following it. I for a little bit, for like a month or two. And I'm like, what am I doing? Why am I paying if I'm not following it? I'm just listening to you guys and not following it. But, yo, the minute I started listening, everything started kicking in, man. I mean, especially now with what you guys got going on, man, I don't know who's stupid enough not to sign up to 1348, man. I'll tell you that, fellas.
Oh, man, we appreciate that.
Thank you, man.
Oh, we appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right.
But, you know, I know you got to go, brother. But,
yeah. STV is going to be doing his live stream here. I got a question. What part of the city are you calling from, man?
Oh, I'm from Westchester, in Yonkers.
Oh. That's not really New York. You watered down, bro.
I'm kidding,
man.
You know what it's called? They call it the Upper Bronx.
Gotcha.
All right, brother. I love you, my guy, man. You go be safe out there, man, and just give yourself some more time with the SPY. I'll give you guys an example. I'm up 15% on the SPY, but my expiration's the 20th. Mm-hmm. I mean, I'm not really, you know what I mean? Like, I play at the money, and I just rock with it. Like, give myself time. Mm-hmm. So you guys start doing that, especially with these alerts. You're gonna be A-okay, man.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one question before you leave. When you were doing this, you know, I was working today, and I was kind of like listening to you guys. So, STV, when you said that you were on the 1 minute on the SPY, and the minute that it turned yellow, you just got rid of your options, or, you know, did whatever you have to do at that moment. Are
you talking about the one that
playing it on the 1 minute?
Are you talking about the one that flipped?
The yellow. Yeah.
That's the risk. I mean, you're either risking a candle close above the 13, or you're risking a flip of a new yellow. So you just see a double yellow and you're out. It keeps the risk super tight, which is what we want.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah. Man. But, you know, all love to you guys, man. I'm telling you, man. Listen, I've never been on I've been on one Discord, two of them actually, and it was just nonsense, man. Nonsense. Follow, and I'm like, how do you learn? You know, and I'm like, I lasted like a month, and when I started listening to STV, I was like, shit. And then, you know, started figuring out all this Discord stuff, and, you know, I got on board, man, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did. That's all I got to tell you, fellas.
And we're glad to have you, brother.
Most of that stuff out there, anybody, it's all bullshit, bro. Like, that's the thing. Like, you're never going to get rich following other people's trades. And I think I told Gabe this a few times, like when we were first talking about 1348, I was like, dude, I fucking hate Discord. I was like, I hate it. It's all the follow trade nonsense. I was like, it's all bullshit. I was like, this is nonsense. It's like the name Discord is just in my mind, because I fucking know. I'm like, this is like Discord in general, like the people that have these rooms, it's mostly bullshit. They don't know what they're doing. They're trying to do this follow trade bullshit. It does not work. That's why we crafted this in the way that we did.
Exactly.
No, I definitely agree. You guys are heading the right way, man. That's all I got to tell you. You got my support.
All right, man. We appreciate it. Have a blessed day, brother.
You too, man.
Bye. All right, take it easy. All right, guys, we're going to be wrapping this stream up. We had a lot of fun. All right. Mm-hmm. Whoever prank called me, good one.
That was a good one.
Yeah, I got one coming back to you. And oh, it's happening. But make sure you guys go ahead and check out STB on his stream. He's going to be live in, 6 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes. I think I have the link over here. I'll throw that in this live chat when we're about to wrap up, and then I'll throw it in the Discord for you guys too.
All right, perfect. Make sure you guys check out this guy. Make sure you guys check out trade1348.com. Also, make sure you reach out to Diana for your OG lifetimes. You know, it just is what it is. I mean, we can back our shit up in ways nobody else can.
And we do it every day in front of you guys.
Every day.
And then tomorrow's the last day for all you outsiders to get access to the 50% off lifetime code. But again, you guys all get 2 weeks for free. If you guys heard the people today, again, we're not paying them. We just put the number up. The main reason why we put this number up in the first place was because we thought it was going to be fun to banter back and forth with idiots on the internet. We didn't realize it was going to be all you guys calling in saying, "Hey, thank you. This is great." We wanted to be confrontational with everybody, but no, it just went the positive route.
It worked out. All's good. Listen, you guys will know that they're not paid unless they're calling in sounding like this.
Envidia.
When they call in sounding like that, you know they're paid. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, we're done here. Be safe. Peace out.
Oh, fuck.
Peace.
See ya. Sorry, I canceled an order. Why is that order not there? Fuck. I had an order. There we go.
How you say bye to the community by looking at your dick? Look
I
at the camera and say
dude,
bye.
I was watching my phone. I was like, this order's going to fill. This order's going to fill. This order's going to fill. And then it never filled. And I looked at my orders tab and it wasn't there. And I was like, oh, fuck. I got to do that. But I'm up 8.5% on SPY puts.
Oh, man. I hit my stop loss on the SPY. That's why I was checking my phone. I'm like, oh, I hit it. I'm good.
Oh, in profit?
Yeah, of course.
Nice. Yeah, I've got these put. These are up 8. I'll throw a stop in profit on these. What did I buy these at? 230. Cool. I'll throw that at 240.
My Discord, I do a free one-on-ones for $10 a month membership and have full educational section on everything. AS Fitness, I do free one-on-ones for $10 a month. That's not free.
It doesn't sound very free. Why are you trying to promote your Discord over here? Also, are we still live?
Yeah. We're still live.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah. We're not taking in any more calls.
No, I gotta go stream. Yeah, but if you want the real deal with platform,
AS Fitness, can I do a one-on-ones for the people in your Discord? I just want to embarrass the hell out of you.
I don't know. Now I'm up 21% on these puts. Ha ha. 22.